Hey guys, welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're one of my subscribers. If you're new, hit the subscribe button. I do tons of different unboxings, usually Amazon, but this is not Amazon. I read the comments. I do read my comment sections of my videos, even if they're older posts. And basically, I get a lot of comments on some of my clothing unboxings that, oh, the style's not you, trying to be younger, it's a younger style, or whatever the case might be. I like just wearing different stuff. I go to a lot of car meets and car shows and car events and different stuff like that. And I also dress up and do formal because I work in IT world and I do have business events and meetings to go to. So I do have to dress up. I don't usually show those videos of me all dressed up in formal clothing. But that said, just wanted to show you guys a little sneak peek of like some of the stuff that I don't show on video that maybe I should start showing on video. Is I have gotten some different expensive clothing. I don't do this that often, but you know, Louis Vuitton, and comes nice and like well packaged when you order it from their website. I'm assuming this is the receipt. Yep. So this can be like the receipt and like the proof of it being real, to keep return label in case I don't like it or it doesn't fit. All that nice stuff right here. And then it comes with this nice little presentation box, which is really cool of them to do. The little bow tie, to untie that right here. You got the little, what is it called, with the little authenticity card and all that, I'm assuming. But I got two things from them. The first being a belt. So I'm going to pull that out of there. I have a feeling I have to cut this to size. I'm not quite sure. But you have your black Louis Vuitton belt. I'll show you that. So you have the black Louis Vuitton belt. Now the next one is this big box right here, and what's cool is they make it so easy. You just pull it off and it opens right up, and then again the Louis Vuitton, and the packaging is nice. So you have like this nice packaging. The Louis Vuitton envelope with the receipt and all that fun stuff. But take out the nice packaged box, and again you have the nice little ribbon bow. So I've been giving hints, well, not really. I think I've given some hints on my Instagram that I'm going to be trading in the Supra for a new car sometime this coming year. I am having a car custom built. That gives you a hint. It is considered an entry-level supercar. So I am stepping up my car game, so to speak. And I wanted to have some comfortable shoes to drive in the new car that also can be used towards my work in business, you know, business and dress casual. So I got myself some new Louis Vuitton shoes. And here's what they are. They are the black Driver Moccasin. I can't think. I'll put the name in the video description. But look at that. Look how cool that is. And some people don't understand why you would call it a driver shoe and why that it has this there. Others that do drive cars, like sporty cars, understand. So when you're putting your foot on the brake or clutch or gas pedal, you kind of tend to sit your foot edge, the back of your foot, you know, in an angle, so the back of your foot can rest kind of like that above the brake, clutch, gas pedal, you know, the two. So yeah, but check that out. What do you think? I like them. Kind of bold. I know my wife said I should have gotten the one that's like the blue ones that they have, but like I like being different. I like standing out. I like kind of just the uniqueness of these. I like the style. They had a brown one as well that has the orange. I thought that was too much. I like the black. It's kind of a little bit more subtle, and it kind of brings the orange out a little bit more. But what do you think? And what do you think of Louis Vuitton? And do you think they're worth the money, especially as a guy, straight guy, wearing this type of stuff? So comment below what you think. And again, I have tons of other videos, tons of other unboxings, from clothing to dog stuff to my cars to just a lot of random stuff. It's kind of my life. And check out whatever one of those videos are over here. And like I said, like, subscribe, and comment below what you think. Take care. Bye.